Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear student, this is our general awareness class. So today we will learn a new concept, that is more or less. Repeat with me, more, less. So my dear students, see, here I have a crayons and here I have a crayons. So tell me, where is the more crayon? On this side or this side? कहाँ पर crayons ज़्यादा हैं? See? Yes, these are more crayons. ये crayons ज़्यादा हैं. And these are less. Okay, so let's count with me. Okay, we find how these are more and how these are less. ये कैसे ज़्यादा है और ये कैसे कम है? So count with me. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, these are 10 crayons. And see, how many crayons are here? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, there is only 3 crayons. So, these are less in numbers and these are more in numbers. So, more or less? More or less? More crayons, less crayons. More crayons, less crayons. Very good. Okay, my dear students, see. Yes. Here are 2 trees. 1 and 2. Yes, can you tell me? ये trees पर क्या हैं? Yes, what are these? Yes. Yes, these are the parrots. Parrots. Yes, so can you tell me on which trees there are more parrots? Yes, on this tree. Yes, यहाँ पर इस वाले ट्री पर ज़्यादा parrots हैं. There are more parrots on this tree. And there are less parrots on this tree. So, can you count with me? Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 parrots on this tree. And 1, 2. Yes, there are only 2 parrots on this tree. So, these are in less in numbers and these are more in numbers. So, more parrots and less parrots. More parrots and less parrots. Very good. Like this. Okay, my dear students, see. What are these? Yes, these are ducks. Ducks. Yes. So, my dear students, can you tell me where is the more ducks? Yes, tell me. Yes, here we have the more ducks and here we have the less ducks. So, see. How we find out the more ducks are there and how we find out there are less ducks? So first we have to count them. Then we will find where is more and where is less. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is 6 ducks. And now here 1, 2, and 3. Here is only 3. So, which number is bigger than? Which number is big? Yes, 6. 6 ducks are more in numbers. Yes, and 3 is less in numbers. Yes. So 3 ducks are less and 6 ducks are more. More, less. More and less. Very good. So my dear students, here we have more parrots and more ducks, and here we have less parrots and less ducks. So my dear students, find out the more things and less things in your house and in your neighborhood. Keep practicing. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.